Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. You guys, I'm just adding some butter to my saute pan. I wanted to share this really quick recipe with you all. Something simple, y'all. Something simple. We don't be eating like that unless it's breakfast. This is a pepper and onion blend, and I'm just gonna start sauteing some of these yellow onions, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers while I'm talking to y'all. Okay, and I like to use these because it keeps me from having to get out the eye for a second. Keeps me from having to cut up the bell peppers and onions, so they're already cut up. So that's why I like using the ones in this little frozen pack. Okay, I'm gonna add a little salt to it. Okay, so while that's sauteing, so again we're gonna make these ribeye. I'm using the ribeye steak, but it's the Philly Cheesesteak Egg Rolls. Now I'm using this ribeye steak that's finely sliced. You can also use, what's that called? Steak-umms. You can use steak-umms or any kind of meat you want to use. You can use chicken if you want to. But we're doing steak. And then I'll be using these egg roll wrappers. Egg roll wrappers. And for my cheeses, I'm going to be using the sliced mozzarella and sliced provolone cheeses. Okay? And then we're going to fry them up in a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to use some of this egg wash. Have just one egg with a little bit of water, about a tablespoon of water. Mix it up. And that's going to help my egg rolls to seal. Okay? Alright, so we're just getting these vegetables cooked up. What am I looking for? Probably my spatula. And then I'm going to add my, what's that stuff called? My steak. Okay, and I'm going to add it right here in the pan with these vegetables. And we like our steaks well done, like no pink. So if you're using steak, of course you cook them to your desired doneness or lack thereof. And like I said, I'm just going to season our steak with just some salt and pepper. And we're just going to cook this up until it's well done. And you guys, I forgot, I also wanted to add some of my Montreal steak seasoning to my steak as well. Y'all, this is so good. Seasoning is so good. So this is well done. So now we're ready to add it to our egg rolls. So now we're going to take our egg rolls. Have a slice of cheese. That's the mozzarella. Then we're going to add our filling. Try not to overfill it. Then we're going to add a slice of provolone. We're going to take our egg white mixture around the edges. And then fold in the sides. And then we just try to keep those sides tucked while we roll. Okay? Let's do another one. Adding our sliced mozzarella. We're going to add some of our steak filling. Y'all, this is the fun part. And we're going to add our slice of provolone. Add some of the little egg white mixture to the edge. We tuck and roll. See? Of course, my hands are clean. I have thoroughly washed my hands. Don't y'all be in the kitchen with nasty hands. Y'all know that's nasty. And as I'm frying them, I think it's good not to have too much grease in there where they kind of flip around. So like I said, I want them to cook as evenly as possible and be ready to kind of come out of the pan around the same time. So that's why I wasn't putting them in as I was rolling them. And keep your eye on them too, because once they start browning, it really doesn't take long for them to finish. Cheese trying to ooze out of that. And y'all, these egg wrappers, they're so delicate. Take them out so they can drain and cool. Whoop, girl, don't be throwing that hot grease on yourself. Yeah, somebody in here already being greedy. You ain't wasting no time. Can I have some, please?
It's good. Let me have these.
Let you have all of them.
Got smoke coming up of it.
Come here so we can get a thumbnail.
Give me that pregnant one.
The what?
It looked like it's going to give birth to a little one.
That's the one that was.
What am I eating?
Let me be careful. A Philly Cheesesteak Egg Rolls.
I just don't eat anything.
Y'all see this right here?
Hey,
You said it's the pregnant one.
Give me a pregnant one.
I thought they was gonna roll. No, I'm gonna eat them.
No, I'm gonna eat the burger.
I'm gonna eat them. It's gonna be a good thumbnail. Let's do that.
This is good. This is real good.
Oh!
But,
What is that?
both of them.
Put them in the inside.
I got it.
It's hot, y'all.
It's good.
Where the meat at? My goodness.
Yeah, Donna, I'm gonna eat the baby off that doggone little thing.
I should have put some more cheese in them.
Cheese with me.
Okay, y'all.
How everybody doing? How y'all been?
It's hot.
How y'all been? Donna, yeah, you told everybody, hey. I like these things. I want all of them. I'm gonna take
Win
them all.
23. Still greedy.
I'm gonna change my ways.
Still greedy. Okay, you guys. Well, yeah, just now remember that I had to break off the grease.
What is this called?
Philly Cheesesteak Egg Roll. I should have put some chicken in there too.
I know this is place. Let me see. Put my teeth in it.
Thank you.
Remember. Baby, you don't eat that much.
That's what you be doing. Okay, you guys. Well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up.
They're good, y'all.
Y'all, I'm gonna try to do some look, maybe here and there. Listen, I'm gonna cook breakfast if I don't cook anything else.
I'm gonna eat breakfast.
I don't eat as much as he eats, and I find when he eats out, he eats all of his food. There's no leftovers. Well, I take that back. If there's leftovers, it's like he rotates his food. Because when I cook, a lot of times you're so wasteful.
No, that's how when you cook, you put stuff in the refrigerator out there.
I thought you was gonna say, cause you be cooking so much and you don't know how to cook a little bit. I don't. It's so hard for me to cook a little bit, and then we just don't eat it all. Anywho, you guys, y'all, it's been a long day for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. What you say? Yeah, hit the nosy. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Turning on that notification bell is hitting the nosy. Okay. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.
It's like a cowl in the blanket. You know how they have the pig in the blanket? A cowl in the blanket.
A cowl? What's a cowl?
There's a food is hot in my mouth.
Okay. Bye. A cow. Okay, bye.